If you want to learn artificial intelligence, but feel overwhelmed by terms like machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, transformers, and large language models, you're not alone. Most beginners don't fail because AI is too hard. They fail because they don't have a clear roadmap. So in this video, I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step AI roadmap, from absolute beginner to advanced level, including what to learn, in what order, how long it takes, and what skills actually matter in the industry. Let's break it down. Phase 1. Strong foundations, 1 to 2 months. Every AI journey starts with fundamentals. First, you must learn Python properly. And I don't mean just copying code from tutorials. You need to understand how programming logic works. Focus on variables and data types. 2. Loops and conditionals. 3. Functions. 4. Object-oriented programming. 5. Basic data structures like lists, dictionaries, and sets. After programming, build your mathematical intuition. AI is built on mathematics, not advanced theory, but clear understanding. You need 1. Linear algebra to understand vectors, matrices, and transformations. 2. Probability to understand uncertainty and predictions. 3. Statistics to analyze and interpret data. If your foundation is strong, the rest becomes easier. If it's weak, everything will feel confusing. Do not rush this phase. Phase 2. Machine learning, 2 to 4 months. Now you enter the real world of AI, machine learning. Machine learning is about teaching computers to learn patterns from data. Start with supervised learning, linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, support vector machines. Then move to unsupervised learning, k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, dimensionality reduction. But don't just study theory. Use tools like NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data handling, Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization, scikit-learn for implementing models. Most importantly, build projects. For example, predict house prices, spam emails, P. Analyze customer churn, P. Classify images. Deep learning, 3 to 5 months. Once you're comfortable with machine learning, move to deep learning. Deep learning powers modern AI systems like voice assistants, recommendation systems, and image recognition. Here you must understand P. Neural network architecture, P. Activation functions, P. Backpropagation, P. Gradient descent, P. Loss. Then move to modern architectures like transformers. Use frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch. Build advanced projects, image classifier, sentiment analysis model, text generator, object detection system. Now you're working with real AI systems. Learn MLOps basics, deployment, ping, ho, API creation using Flask or Fast API. Docker basics, ping, cloud fundamentals like AWS or GCP. Because in real jobs, building the model is only half the work. Deploying and maintaining it is equally important.